Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a video showing all the new items that I have on my store, nkeoma.com. Thank you guys so much for all your support so far. I love when I see you guys sending me pictures and messages and how you love my products. You wear them every day, they're so comfy, you love them, people always compliment you. Thank you so much. So before I get started, I want to show you guys some things I got from Scentbird. So Scentbird was kind enough to partner with me with this video, and I want to show you guys some of the products, actually the perfumes they got me. So Scentbird has designer perfumes, and you can get trial sizes every month for $15 per month. Able to choose from over 450 perfumes, designer perfumes like Prada, Gucci, Tom Ford, you name it, they have. So each month you'll get a nice 30-day supply, which is about 140 sprays of their designer perfume that you choose, and it's a very generous trial size. Bigger, much bigger than the trials that you get at drugstores and stuff like that. I also have cologne, so this is not just for women, but it's also for men. The that I chose was Confessions of a Rebel, Get a Room, English Laundry No. 7, and then Jason Wu. I think Jason Wu is my favorite one that from the collection. So this is a Scentbird perfume. Let me do a little close-up. This is the Scentbird perfume, and it comes like this. And these are the two other ones that I got. So the perfume is in this really cute carrying case, and you can actually use it and spray it within the cylinder. So you just twist it up like this, and then you spray. And I'll show you guys what the perfume looks like. This. Thank you, Scentbird, for these perfumes. My hair, I mean, how can you not notice my hair? I know it's been a while since I've done, you know, this kind of style. Ooh, luscious curls, luscious hair. So what do you guys think? I'll put the hair details on the screen and down below. But other than that, let's get into the nkeoma try-on haul. All right, so first I have this new print. I think this is my favorite. I say that anytime a new collection comes out, but I think this one, like, look at this. So beautiful. I love the white background because it makes the like colors of the peacock feathers just like pop. It's so nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So yeah, so this is one of the robes. And then I decided to do matching bonnets for the robes and the PJs. So this robe comes with a matching bonnet. How beautiful. So these are African print bonnets, satin lined, and I have some videos on my website and on my YouTube on how to wear these, because it's a mix between a scarf and a bonnet. A sconnet helps tie down your edges. You're able to sleep and the bonnet won't fall off because you've tied it down. So yeah, so all the people that have had this, they always tell me that they love this bonnet. They want to get one for every night of the week. They want to get some for their friends and their family. So thank you guys so much for loving this bonnet. This was a idea that Inky had years and years ago when we were still in pharmacy school and medical school. So just to see that it's like alive and people are loving it, it's so fulfilling. So yeah, so this robe comes with a matching bonnet. But my hair is all done, so I don't want to wear it for you guys, but I'll show you guys a little bit how it looks. Look at this.
I can see it's gonna take me getting used to you. The walks with a fragrance so amazing, I can taste it. She's my little mermaid in the ocean, stay wavy, just like us, so she picked up on the day.
This PJ set is so comfy. Like, I thought the short sleeve short set that we had last time, the blush pink, was comfy. No, this is comfy. Oh my gosh, it just glides on my body because it's so silky, but it's so comfy. Like, I love this set. I love this print. Like, it's so good. All right, so this set comes with a matching bonnet as well. Isn't that so perfect? Comes with a matching bonnet as well. So you see, when I wear it like this, it looks like a chef's hat, but because my hair, I don't want to mess up my hair, but yeah, so it comes with a matching bonnet. So yeah, so I love this set. It's so comfy, perfect for spring, perfect for winter. So yeah, keeps you nice and warm, but it's not too thick where you'll feel hot, so you can still wear it in the summertime. The pants have pockets. So yeah, so nice and comfy. The pants stop at the ankle, so even if you're short or you're tall, it's an ankle length pant, so it'll work for all heights and sizes. Right now I'm actually wearing the size extra large extra large, because when I wear stuff for bedtime and staying at home, it has to be loose fitting for me so that I can be comfy. I don't like tight fitting clothes, especially when I'm sleeping, especially socks, hoodies, leggings, sleeping. Oh my gosh, it's just makes me cringe. So that's why I wore the large extra large, but obviously the small medium will be my perfect size. So if people like me that like to wear something loose, you can get this size, or you can get the small medium, but the small medium will still be nice and flowy on you too. So whatever your preference is. All right, so I want to show you guys the bonnets that we have right now. So we have a red, we have a cute peachy orange, we have an orange and yellow, we have a pink and green, similar to this, but this one has like a teal circle. This is just pink and green. And then we have a yellow and a red, and we have a golden yellow with blue. Then we have the cute blue, and it's like a microphone print. And then we have this pink and purple print. I love this one. So yeah, this like circle dial, I call it like a record print. I love how it's like, it pops very well on this satin material and on the African print. So I've had robes that were the same pattern but pink and yellow, and I loved it, and I'm gonna bring that back. And there's a couple other robe patterns that people are asking me about, especially the one that Natural Nisi wore in her recent skincare video. Everyone's telling me like, can you bring that back? So I'm going to plan on bringing that pattern back, since everybody is asking me about it. Anytime she wears it, people always tell me like, are you gonna have this coming back? Because usually when I have collections come out, the patterns don't come back. Because I like to keep it, you know, all like different and fresh. But if I have certain patterns that people definitely ask for all the time, I'll bring it back. Especially like it's like a purple and gold one that Nisi wore. So I'll bring that back. And I brought back the blush and pink pajama set. I'll show you guys that next. And I love that one. So I'll show you guys that one I have next.
I don't know, but this girl drives me crazy. Always had dreams of flying out with my lady. Always got a special place in my heart. They can never pull apart.
Blush and blue set that's very, very popular. Sleeve and short set. So I'm actually wearing, as I said, large extra large, because I like to be nice and loose, but obviously a small medium will be, you know, more fitting for me and stuff like that, and you know, not be so bulky here. But I need to be nice and free when I'm sleeping, so it needs to be a little loose. But yes, I want to show you guys all the handbags. I've showed a couple of them throughout some of my videos before, but I finally have time to just like show you every single pattern that I have. So I'm gonna go one by one and show you guys the patterns, and I'll model them for you. But this is the African print crossbody bags. Beautiful detail. The handle and detail here are 100% genuine leather. They have gold chain detail here. They open up like this. Leather interior. They got a pocket and a couple compartments to store things. And the chain is pretty long, so it's a cute crossbody. Will hit you right at your hip. So yeah, so I'll show you guys what they look like. But all the patterns, 11 patterns, and I love them so much. I don't think I can pick like a favorite, but I love them so much. So I'll show you guys what they look like.
Like a new jack, you keep me wavy like do-rag. You my woman crush when it's there, so it's only right I do brag. I like the way you flex to me, mama. Wanna show you around the world, no stress, mama. suitcase packed for the
So
trip.
if you guys like that video, make sure you check out nkeoma.com for all the products and more. I have duffel bags, t-shirts, African print dresses, maxi dresses, high-low dresses. I'll be having our maxi skirts and short skirts coming very, very soon, so look out for that. And I'll have some more t-shirt designs coming. So thank you guys so much for all your support. Hope you guys like the stuff. Check out the website. Check out my info down below on Scentbird, on my hair, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Let's get lost in the wilderness. Gave me my paddy for your mother, I will never rest. She a goddess, so heaven sent. Oh, so heaven sent.